friends, it's Miss Brooke, and I'm so excited you're here for story time today. Guess what? We are celebrating a very special holiday. Today is the 4th of July! Woohoo! I'm so excited you're here. I've got a really fun and festive book to read with you, so cozy on up and let's jump right into it. So today's fun and festive holiday book is You're My Little Firecracker! And it's written by Nicola Edwards and illustrated by Natalie Marshall. This looks like a fun one. You're my little firecracker. You're my 4th of July. You make my heart light up, and you bring color to my sky. Aww. You're my little hot dog, a treat that's lots of fun. Life's a picnic here with you. You are my shining sun. Oh, so nice. You're my cheerful and bright balloon. With you, life's one great ride. I feel so free when you're with me. I could just burst with pride. So sweet. And you're my little apple pie. You're my taste of home. I love apple pie. How about you? I'll always be right here for you, however far you roam. And you're my little stars and stripes. You keep my head held up high. Every day you make me proud. I love when you're nearby. And that is the end. Well, friends, I hope you really enjoyed today's fun and festive story called You're My Little Firecracker. And you know what? While I was reading all these fun comparisons, I figured out one of my own. One that I can describe how much I love you all and how much you all support me. It goes like this. You're my little pinwheel. You make my heart spin with joy. Just like that. Thank you, friends, so much for supporting me, watching my videos, subscribing, and giving me a thumbs up, sending emails. You guys are awesome. I love you all so much. And don't forget, send me an email at learnwithmissbrooke@gmail.com, and I would love to hear how you are celebrating the 4th of July. All right, now all together, say it with me. Say, Happy Birthday, America! All right, I hope everyone has a fun and safe holiday, and I will see you very soon. Mwah.